have the perfect recipe for you guys to start adding into your new 2020 morning routine. So today I'm going to show you how to make watermelon and raspberry jellies. So it's a great way to add the Happy Way fat burner into your morning routine. So what the Happy Way fat burner will do first thing in the morning is support your metabolism and help to speed things up to kickstart the fat burning process for the day. So for this recipe, you're going to need approximately 3 scoops of the watermelon fat burner. You're going to need approximately half a cup of frozen raspberries, 400 mils of boiling water, and 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Now we're also going to need a silicone mould, which we'll pop our mixture into to allow it to set, and a saucepan. So to make it, we pop all our ingredients minus the raspberries into our saucepan over a low to medium heat. Allow it to dissolve completely. So once our powders are completely dissolved, take it off the stove and pour it into your moulds. From there, we're going to crush our raspberries because we just want little pieces, and then we're just going to sprinkle that into each mould. So that's it, and then we pop it into the fridge to set for approximately 4 to 5 hours.